What have you got for us today, Beach?
I got a little bit of stuff I thought I'd show.
It's my new teething ring.
I'm quite liking the KATO stuff of late. What? You get stuck in your teeth.
I don't know, I'm just...
Left an aftertaste.
What's
Why
from
are you licking that?
It's from the palm olive and stuff. I washed it.
It's still got like chunky bits on it.
That's okay.
Is it? The texture.
Didn't you ever play with dirt when you were a kid?
Yeah, but that's when I was a kid.
I always love a bit of mud, you know that.
Mud pies and, I don't know, mate.
No, you can't say cream pies. That's him.
What is this? It's an E5 Hayabusa.
I'm a bit confused now because I know a Hayabusa is two things.
Hayabusa in Japanese means hawk. So Hayabusa in a bike is also named after the hawk.
It's like the fastest bird in the sky, right?
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
What is that? Oh,
that's a bit tricky, isn't it?
That hang sells.
It's hidden.
The Japs, mate. The Japs.
They know how to do things, don't
they?
So this is a bullet train. In Japan, they've got a lot of different kinds of bullet trains. So they go to different areas in Japan. This particular one services Tohoku, which is up the north of Japan. So it goes through Tokyo and Tohoku. And when I used to catch my train, I'd see these going past all the time.
Couldn't you afford the Hayabusa train?
Well, you don't catch a Hayabusa train from a local area
No?
and into Tokyo. It'll cost megabucks. So I just take local trains to where I'm going.
Steam trains.
But you see these going past because they're super express, right? And they don't go that fast when it's in the city, but out in the open, these do 300 kilometers an hour.
Pretty cool. I couldn't even fathom that. Are they driven by somebody or they're driverless?
No, there's a driver in them. Yep. So in that glass compartment, there's someone in there controlling everything.
Because what is that guy doing, in all seriousness, at 300 kilometers an hour?
I don't know. Checking his social media.
There's not much that you've got control of.
Well, yeah, there's brakes and stuff.
Yeah, but...
You'll have a steering wheel. It won't do anything.
It's going to take like 5 kilometers to pull up, I imagine.
A lot of it's automated too. So when there's an earthquake, and they do have a lot of earthquakes in Japan, all the bullet trains automatically stop because they're not very far in between each other. All of them have to stop or they'll start plowing into each other. So I think there's a lot of automation, but the driver is still there for last minute.
Dexterity.
Well, that's it.
So what if a cow walks on the track?
See you later, cow. Become sushi.
Sushi cow.
That's right.
I bet it happens quite a bit too.
I think it does. Yeah.
Two-legged cows.
That's right. There's all kinds of animals that cop it. But these are really comfortable. Haven't ridden this particular one, but I've caught the N700, which a lot of people will probably see.
That's a white one next week?
I will be.
Are you going to take photos?
Yes, and videos. Crack it. What are you doing? Why are you only doing it halfway?
Because I thought I was wrecking it. You know me. I don't like to wreck it.
Why halfway?
Well, I thought I was wrecking it.
Look at the colour of the green.
You know I'm a sucker for a bit of green.
Should we go from the top?
I just turned the top off.
Did you?
Got little people down there.
So this is what they call their compact set.
Compact.
It's got a little rear railer.
Can I get mine? I like the one that come in the bookcase. It's light.
Yeah, that's probably not the drive unit. That's probably the drive unit there.
Wait, it drives from the middle. What?
Yeah. Because these are so... Is that the drive unit? It is, isn't it? See? That was the same with the book one we looked at last week too. The drive unit was in one of these carriages.
Do these have DCC sound and everything?
No. So shipping these is an option. Like a lot of trains. Look at how streamlined it is. And look at the metallic green, how beautiful it is.
Funky couplers.
Funky couplers?
Yeah.
So this is a bullet train that you would catch if you were going to Godhand, for example. So they're out that direction.
So all bullet trains have different colours and they're different models? Or are they just painted differently with a different name?
Now their colours and the models, they generally design them for some reason to suit particular lines.
Really?
Yeah. So they only use it on one particular line. They don't use it all the way around the country.
Different setup.
And that's part of the the beauty of being a train spotter in Japan. Because if you go to different areas, you'll see different trains. They're
Look at the
localized.
packaging. I love it.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
KATO do amazing fit and finish on all their products, don't they?
Well, I plan to go and visit KATO as well next week. So that'll be interesting. But isn't that nice? I really like bullet trains. And they're so comfortable to ride in.
I wouldn't know.
And when you sit in there, you'll have the little food trolley come up. And the lady will come in and she'll bow to everyone.
Bow.
And then she'll come by and
Senchoi bow.
you'll say, I'll have that packet of chips
I was going to say, you can't have the lady.
and the can of beer.
And the beer.
And the beer.
What do you
And
mean? They have beer on public transport.
yeah!